In this video, we are going to learn about how to set a header image in substack.com. Here you can see it's our substack.com. Now I want to add a header image in this profile. First of all, click to profile and make sure you have signed in your substack.com. Now click to profile and then again click to edit profile. Scroll down to find out the branding option. Here you can see header image, and also here you can see the aspect ratio and the size of header image. So click to select image and then again click to this image to upload. After that, click to done. Voila, it's done. So you can set a header image using this method. If you think this video is helpful, then consider to like, comment, share and subscribe. After finishing, just click to done. See you in the next video. Bye.